No, first of all, instead of wishing the Christian brothers and sisters, I also participated in the Christmas program conducted by our Honorable Raviji. And I also participated. He is portraying as if BJP are against the Christianity. And I strongly condemn the words of our Honorable Chief Minister. SIR is biased against the minorities. SIR is deleting the votes of minority. Here, a new voter named Christiana came and she was very happy. Her vote is included. So it is only inclusion, it's not exclusion. And here I came to verify. In my booth, almost all the voters are there verified. There is no deletion of any eligible voters. Almost yesterday 16, today 15 new voters have submitted their forms. So clearly the BLOs are working very good, and I have to appreciate their commitment. So when this democratic process is conducted in a very straightforward way, in a very transparent way, how the Chief Minister, against his constitutional oath, he is telling SIR is dividing the people and BJP is dividing the people. When I am asking the rights of mine to light the lamp, they are portraying me as a fanatic. It is not. It's a faith. Faith is portrayed as fanatic. And even in that program, Christmas program, he is telling we will safeguard the welfare of the minorities. What happened to the welfare of majorities? And he is telling we are sharing our wishes. Did you ever share your wishes on Deepavali or Vinayaka Chaturthi? Then you are against the wish of the Tamil Nadu people. You are telling I am cutting the cake and I have attended the Christmas program. Any day have you attended a Deepavali program or the temple festivals? And he is quoting the words from Bible. I am very happy. I am not against it. Have you ever quoted words from the Bhagavad Gita? So here he is discriminating. He is dividing the people in the name of the religion. He is very much afraid. He doesn't want the Hindus and the minorities to be united in Tamil Nadu. So in the name of BJP, he wants to separate them and he wants to encash the mindset of the minorities. Minorities now have become very shrewd. You have seen 2 to 3 forms were submitted by them. And really, I'm happy about the SIR process. Here I verified all the voters in my booth have verified, and no eligible voters have been deleted. And almost 16 yesterday, 15 today, new voters have submitted their forms. Today I'm very happy that enthusiastic youngsters are coming to there and to submit the forms. SIR has created awareness among themselves. So it is clear that SIR is a wanted procedure, and I am asking the people who are opposing the SIR, 97 lakhs voters has been deleted. If you, as you said, if the SIR would have been conducted after 2026, these 97 false bogus votes would have been voted by the DMK and other people. So they are telling BJP is biased against DMK. Even Gujarat, where BJP is ruling, even Goa, where BJP is ruling, SIR is conducted.